Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In this video we are going to be looking at the method of object which is called .seal. So basically what does the seal do? Let's suppose we have an object over here, name, age and designation. We don't let anyone to add new properties, and we don't let anyone to delete existing properties, but we let them to update the existing properties. But the question is, how can we do that? To do that, object provides us a method which is called .seal. When we were working with the freeze method of object, then it was not allowing us to do anything, whether it was updating, adding or deleting. But in case of seal, it will allow you to update the existing properties, but it will not allow you to add or delete anything, right? So if I come over here and write object dot seal, and let's pass our object, and obj.testing equal to testing. If I come over here and console.log obj, as you can see that are testing the property which we tried to add is not in our original object. If we want to delete any property, like I want to delete the name, then as you can see that name property is still there. If I comment out this line, then name property will be gone. As you can see, name is no more there, right? And let's say if I want to update the name value of name to David, then it has updated the value. So this is what the seal is, and I told you the difference between the freeze and seal. So this is it from this video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a